In a small village lived a poor man named Rajan. He had a tiny house, a small patch of land, and very few belongings. But he was incredibly rich in kindness and generosity. Despite his poverty, Rajan valued his relationships more than anything. Many villagers, however, didn't understand him. They often looked down on him for his lack of wealth, saying things like, "Why waste time helping others when you have nothing for yourself?" Rajan never paid them any mind. He continued to help his neighbors, share food with those in need, and offer a listening ear to anyone going through a hard time. To him, the love, trust, and respect he gave and received were far more valuable than any amount of money. One day, a young traveler arrived in the village. He had lost everything in a storm and had nowhere to go. Most villagers turned him away, assuming he had nothing to offer. But Rajan welcomed him into his home without hesitation, offered him food, and even shared his own bed for the night. The traveler was completely surprised. "Why would you help me when you have so little?" he asked. Rajan just smiled gently and replied, "True wealth is measured by the love and trust we share, not by coins or possessions. A relationship built on kindness is priceless." The traveler stayed with Rajan for a few days and witnessed something truly extraordinary. The same villagers who had once mocked Rajan started coming to him for advice, comfort, and support. Over time, they realized that the poor man's life was full of a richness that money could never buy: trust, respect, love, and genuine friendship. During his stay, the traveler learned 5 important lessons about relationships from Rajan. First, quality over quantity. One true friend is worth more than 100 casual acquaintances. Second, give without expecting anything in return. Genuine relationships grow from selfless acts of kindness. Third, respect and trust are priceless. Money can't buy loyalty or love. Those must be earned. Fourth, support others in their time of need. Helping others builds strong, lasting bonds that can withstand any storm. And finally, cherish every connection. Life is fleeting, and our relationships are what give it true meaning. The traveler left the village with a heart full of gratitude and a new understanding of what truly matters. He realized that Rajan's wealth wasn't in his possessions, but in the love and trust he cultivated every single day. Months later, a crisis struck the villager. Severe flood destroyed crops and homes. Many people panicked, but Rajan remained calm. Because of the strong relationships he had nurtured, the villagers immediately came together to rebuild, support one another, and recover from the disaster. The community finally understood that their true wealth was in the bonds they had formed, not in their material things. Rajan's story spread far and wide. People from neighboring villages began visiting him, seeking his guidance and inspiration. He became a living example that kindness, trust, and genuine relationships create a kind of wealth that no money can ever match. Rajan's journey teaches us a timeless lesson. The true value of relationships is priceless. Wealth comes and goes, but love, trust, and genuine connections endure forever. Cherish and nurture your bonds. They are life's greatest treasures. If Rajan's story inspired you, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories like this one. Thanks for watching.